Can a business define their brand with a feeling, a vibe, or even inspiration? At Klein Creative Media, we believe they can. I didn't know it at the time, but our brand started over 3 decades ago when I discovered both my life passion and declared myself a video major at UC San Diego. I find inspiration from my clients' stories from the ocean, in it or soaring above it. It's where most of my scripts are written in my head, long before my hands ever reach a computer keyboard. We trust our clients' experience is a direct reflection of our company brand and believe every business culture is as unique as a footprint in the sand. I tell stories for a living with video, stills, and drones, and I never book a shoot on Friday mornings, because on Fridays, you can always catch me in the lineup. This is the story of my brand. Let me tell your brand story.